here. I'm just about to make pasta for my family, and I said, oh, let me show you the video of how I make a quick tomato based sauce for my pasta. Tomatoes, olive oil, you can use any oil you have, black pepper, salt, and just for a little kick, I'll be adding habanero in the air fryer. And I just said, let me show you how I make this. Very simple, very quick, just this. So that's my tomato sauce. The aroma is delicious. Please, if you can get habanero, get it and use it. It's amazing. It's not rodo. Habanero is different, but you can also use rodo. This is it, and you can use it for so many things. You can use it for pizza sauce, you can use it for pasta, you can use it for rice. In my next video, I'll be showing you how I use it for my pasta. Don't forget, subscribe so you can keep up. Bye.